2005 Chevy Suburban 8.1. Somebody swapped the badges. That's not an Allison transmission, it's a 4L85E. American Racing wheels with Michelin Defender LTX. They are 265/75 R16s. Quite a bit of tread on there. As far as I know, it's fully loaded. Sunroof, leather, tow package, which is back here. You can see it's got that hitch. That visor's broken up there. Tow mirrors. Show me the mileage again. There it is. 196,325. Let's see. Not in great shape. Headliner looks like it was glued back up there. Not in the best shape. Got a TV right there, the DVD system. Passenger window is a little slow to go up. Seat bottom was replaced at some point. I think this is the only door that has a little bit of rust starting at the bottom there. Missing a cup holder insert right there, and a seatbelt receptacle, I guess. Got an AC overhaul kit here, condenser, dryer, compressor, expansion valve, all the seals and gaskets. Those are the part numbers there, and then the condenser shipped separate. I got spark plugs, wires, a thermostat, just items that I never installed. Getting ready to do an oil change. This door right here The lock and unlock does not function by the remote or the door controls. I don't know what the fix is for that. I never researched it. Didn't bother me. The blower motor and resistor have been changed. Let me do a start up here. HD hood, I don't know if I mentioned that. The battery's new. Get a couple revs.